mixing makeup into slime. This is the clear slime we'll be working with. We will be mixing these two and some lip gloss. Maybe not the lip gloss part, we'll see. I actually really like this color, so I think we're gonna just stick with this one and use it only. Okay, we'll dab it. This is the makeup we will add. Let's mix it. I'll show you when I'm done. I'm not done, but this is it, and it's like so cool to mixing it in. Wow, this is definitely so cool. I actually would recommend this. Whoa. Okay, see you guys next time, and I love you. Bye. Also, thank you for 610 subscribers.